Joining us now with his insights, General Wesley Clark, former NATO Supreme Allied Commander. General Clark, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
So, a key question here. Could the strike have actually prevented further Iranian strikes, or is this something that is going to now make escalation inevitable?
So I think what you have right now is you have the prelude to something really dramatic that's going to happen. As you see, the U.S. forces have agreed to start pulling out. They're going to pull together. They'll exit. This is good for our force protection. It also sets the stage for us to be able to strike Iran without having hostages in Iraq that are easy targets for the Iranian retaliation. So it's both a defensive move and it's an offensive move. And I think, if you look ahead, you can see the end state here, which is going to be a conflict that escalates, barring some extraordinary effort by the United Nations and the European Union to calm this down. And so if I were an investor, a big-time investor with a lot of money, I'd buckle my seatbelt and I'd get ready for a pretty rocky ride here, because what you're going to see is a lot of geostrategic risk. Some of it will be priced in, but there will be shocks in this market. That's what we're looking at. We're looking at what's the future role of ISIS. We're looking at whether the Iranians have the capacity really to strike back. We're looking at whether a big set of U.S. strikes actually takes out the Iranian key targets, including their nuclear facilities, or whether, as some have suggested, they've got nuclear potential hidden away somewhere. So there's a lot riding on these next few days and weeks in terms of the strategy. But you must remember, there have always been some in the neoconservative movement in the United States who've wanted to strike Iran. So this is a buildup. It could go that way. It could be deflected. It's impossible to say right now.